Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to import Excel file into ArcGIS environment. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get another tutorial. Open your ArcMap. Here we go. So to add Excel file into our ArcGIS environment, first we have to go to File, Add Data, and Add XY Data. Click on Add XY Data and browse your file location. My file is located at this folder. This one is the XLSX file I want to add to the ArcGIS environment. So double click on it, and the file is this one, sheet 1, and click click Add. Then X field is X projected by default, but you can choose you have another option to display as X field. For now I want to display X projected X. No, dead field, I don't want it. And here it says the coordinate system is unknown. I can edit the coordinate system according to the location of my data. So I've go to UTM. I am in Africa and my data is in Africa and UTM. I didn't done UTM done search 7, okay, and then finish it by saying okay. Here, table does not have object ID field, it says. For now, let's proceed by clicking OK. Well, later we will correct it, or we will export to shapefile to avoid this error. Okay, we have to export it to shapefile or .shp format to eliminate this error, object ID field error. Okay, for now the table you specified does not have an object ID field. Hit OK. Here is our data. For now you can see you cannot edit the data because we haven't exported it yet. And if you open the attribute table here, there is nothing to display because our data is not in the shapefile. So we can, to avoid eliminate this error, we can go to data and export the data. I rename this one as YouTube. Data, export data. Cancel this one. Save it by the name you like. YouTube. And select so this is shapefile, okay, and then hit OK. Yeah, now our XLS file is successfully exported to shapefile. Do you want to add the exported data to the map as layer? Yes. So here our data is finally here. Can remove this one. As you can see, if you open the attribute table now, all of our data is here along with this description. Okay, everything is listed here. Our data is successfully exported the shapefile. Now we can edit this data as we went. Can zoom out in. This is our data, but this one is a GPS point data, which is collected by Handle GPS for my test project. Okay, so we can edit it as we went. If we want to label this point, we can label it by going to properties, then labels. Labels. Okay, label features in this layer. Take this one first, then label field. Change the label field as you want. For example, if I want the label field to be a description field, I will change it to description, then apply. Okay, if the font is 8, I can increase or decrease as I want and hit OK. As you can see, our points are now labeled, and we can create a shapefile or a geodatabase and we can edit it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the thumbs up to show you. Thank you.